All right, so it's May 14th and we're finally getting the big old tree, like the branch that's overhanging our driveway. We're getting that chopped off today. The lawn care service people are over right now, and I think they're just like getting things set up to get that going, but I'm gonna film the process because this has been the most dangerous thing that we've had around our house, and we just have not gotten it done. And today is the day. They're chopping off that big old branch. Yay.
The whole entire branch. Oh snap. Oh snap. Yeah. I don't think that tiny little thing is going to...
Oh my god, what are they doing?
He's just went up there and he's sawing it from the side.
So it's just gonna fall down?
I guess. I don't know. Either he falls... Wait, that's too tiny of a saw, I'm telling you.
This does not seem safe.
He's not...
It's literally just gonna come down like that.
I know.
Henry's like, you should like go out there and ask him if it's safe. I'm like, I'm not going out there.
Ah!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Fuck. Shit, this is a big ass tree. Was that supposed to happen like that?
Was that supposed to happen like that? Thank the Lord. Are you done now? Do you want to come out of your crib now? Do you want to come out now? Is that you? Okay, do you want to come out now? Here, come on. Come on. No? All right. Okay. I'll see you later then. Mama, say bye. Bye. Do you want me to see you later then? Yeah. I'll see you later then, okay? He doesn't want to come out, so we're just gonna go.
Hello.
We're gonna go because he doesn't want to come out of his crib. Yeah, he doesn't want to sleep. He hasn't slept. It's been 40 minutes. So I think he just wants to hang out. So we're gonna go, okay, Thomas? Do you want to come out? Okay, all right.
Are you sure?
Okay, let's go. Okay, see ya. Okay, you want to come out? Do you want to come out? Do you want to come out? Do you want to come out? Here, come on, let's go. Okay.
Come here. Why don't you want a nap?
He's gonna be cranky. It's gonna be like 6 o'clock and he's gonna be so cranky.
Hey, what you trying to do? What you trying to do?
Hey, you have to take your sleep sack off. Hey, Thomas, hey. Come here so I can take your sleep sack off.
He's so hyper.
He's super hyper. I don't even know.
Yeah. Can I take your sleep sack off?
Let's take your sleep sack off, okay? Let's leave it in your crib, all right?
You're hyper.
He's hyper.
Tears from your eyes, but... Oh, purple one. Purple one first. Purple one. Hold it. Okay. Black one.
Uh-oh. Yeah, you got it.
Ooh. Oh!